Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into my BC Education account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for MyEducation BC login. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this option which says log on. So after tapping on login, you will directly take you to the BC Education login page, and over here you can enter your login ID and then enter your BC password. So after entering your login ID and password, you can tap on log on, and after tapping on log on, you will successfully log into your account. So if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot my password. So if you don't have an account, you can easily create an account by tapping on request an account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your MyEducation BC University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.